Hello and welcome from everybody here at AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. Hope you're all well. Fantastic new arrival for you today. This is a 2021 21 plate Audi A4. Now this version is a 2-litre TFSI Black Edition and it's also the Avant model. It's the S-Tronic automatic gearbox and it's finished in this stunning turbo blue paintwork, personal favourite of ours here at AMT. It does come with a half leather interior, which we'll come and show you that shortly. And the car's only covered 17,620 miles and comes with a full Audi service history. Last done at only 15,280 miles. So what you'll also see from the exterior there is the nice privacy glass around the rear of the vehicle and the black roof rails, which are also load bearing as well. To complement those blue paintwork, we do have the 19-inch Audi Sport grey alloy wheels. And around the rear here, we have the power tailgate. As you can see, real cavernous boot there. Lots of storage, great for the family or you golfers out there. Into the rear of the car, this is the half leather interior I touched on earlier. No disagreeable smells of dog or smoke. It's a really clean, lovely interior. And onto the front seats where you'll notice the S embossed logo at the front. Here is another great feature from Audi, the flat bottom steering wheel. So the car's got satellite navigation, which also comes with a virtual cockpit as well. So you can change the different viewpoints behind the binnacle there. We've got parking aids such as front and rear sensors and also the rear camera. We have heated front seats, as you can see there, with a 3-zone digital climate control and the all-important Apple CarPlay as well. We really do appreciate you watching the video. If you have any questions at all, please do give the award-winning sales team in Leeds a call. We're on hand to answer any questions you may have.